Welcome to this technical guide on the Dyson V11. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Dyson V11 isn't picking up properly, you're not alone. This issue often arises when the dust canister is not sealing correctly or if there are blockages in the system. If left unattended, your vacuum may not only underperform but could also lead to more extensive damage over time. To address this, you'll need a few tools: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and some cloth to clean any debris. Now, let's dive into the repair process. First, ensure you unplug your Dyson V11 and remove the battery for safety. To open the device, use the Phillips screwdriver to remove the screws at the base of the vacuum. Be gentle and keep the screws in a safe place. Once the screws are out, carefully lift the top cover to expose the internal components. The issue typically lies with the dust canister seal. Locate the canister and check for any debris that may be preventing it from sealing properly. If you see any blockages, gently remove them using the flathead screwdriver. Be careful not to damage any nearby components. If the seal appears worn or damaged, it's best to replace it. To extract the canister, unscrew the retaining screws and gently pull it away from the main body. When replacing it, ensure you align it correctly and apply a firm but gentle pressure to secure it in place. Once the new canister is fitted, reattach the screws and ensure everything is tightened properly. When reconnecting the battery, ensure the connections are secure and there are no loose wires. Now, it's time to close the device. Place the top cover back on and screw it in place. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. To prevent future issues, regularly clean your dust canister and check for blockages in the filters. Keeping the vacuum maintained will ensure optimal performance and longevity. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.